Thanks to Alan for sending these rods. God bless you, bro.
He also gave you different sizes to try which works best.
I've picked that slimmest one, but bigger than the old one. We'll try others next time.
I see you're using a bigger target.
Pop into Smythe Toy Store and pick these up. I also use these as a hand-eye coordination tool. Check the link after. I've used the biggest ball for the target, and they are super bouncy. What helps? They have different sizes, shapes, and super bouncy. What really helps?
Oh yeah, a lot faster and a bigger target, to those who wanting one.
Little demo. Biggest one I used. Take care and do subscribe.